Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how to add a watermark on image in Canva. First you need to go to the canvas, import an image which you want to add a watermark to, then go to the text. After going to text, click on text and go to the add a heading option. Go to add a heading and type whatever you want to type, and after that you have to go, after selecting it, you have to go to the text color option, click on it and go and make it a white. If you don't get a white option, you can see that here. After clicking on it, click on change all, and then you have to go to the transparency option up here. After clicking on that, you need to drag it and make sure that it is visible, and then you have to select it and drag it wherever you want. You can do it with your logo that way too. For that you need to go to your uploads. After going to your uploads, you need to select whatever you want to add. After doing that, you have to do the same. You have to select the transparency option and you have to make it a theme. After make it theme, you have to drag it wherever you want, in a corner, in this corner, or wherever you want to drag it. After doing that, your image is watermark. You have to export this image and the watermark will be uploaded to your image. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, then make sure to like and share our video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.